Hi, I'm Brandy, this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my March 2021 Witch's Roots box. Yes, I know it's late. It just is what it is. Let's check her out. Love this box. Alright, opening her up. See what we got. First things first, let's see what our theme is. Kind of been not on social media for a while. The Spirit of Spring. Nice. Got a beautiful, beautiful artwork here. Put that right there. Basil, nice. Love it. Got ourselves a little candle. It's a very, very pretty green. Ooh, so pretty. Looks like a yummy flavor of Otter Pop. Green was my favorite flavor of Otter Pop. Spring Blessings. Let's give her a smell. I can't quite pinpoint what I'm smelling, but and I don't even know if I like it. Let me see. Basil, Spring Blessings, and we've got something here. What do we got? Let's open her up. Oh, my husband's making a lot of noise right outside the window. I'm thinking he's running the generator. Oh, look at that. A little artwork. So let's read this really quick. All right, Basil. Oh, as we move towards our star and prepare for spring, we are overwhelmed with feelings of gratitude for the promise of renewed life. During such a vibrant and lively time of the year, we focus on our spiritual and emotional rebirth. As new herbs, flowers, and plants begin to awaken and sprout new life, we as well begin to celebrate new ideas, creations, and practices. It is very important as practitioners that we spend time during this season to embrace the beautiful journey ahead. Basil, most likely originating in India. Okay, so wealth, prosperity, and longevity. The Basil Grimoire art. The Spring Green Man plaque. Very cute, very, very adorable. Spring Blessings Ritual Incense Sticks. The Growth and Renewal Mini Spell Candles, so pretty, I love it. Promoting joyful and hopeful energies. I definitely need this. Spring Blessings Magical Anointing Oil, which is basil, white tea, and bergamot oils with basil leaves as well. And a Lumarian quartz, and some Ostara magical oil from their personal cabinet. Pagan Tree of Life, Book of Shadows artwork. And that's what we have here. Very nice, simple, straightforward. Definitely stuff that I will be using in my practice. I especially love, I collect the artwork for sure. And this candle, I'm just really tickled by the color. I burn through incense like wildfire. This will go into my cabinet. The oils, I do have a challenge, but I'm trying to learn how to make my own candles, and hopefully that will help me use the oils for scents for my own candles. So let's hope. Anyways, love you guys so much. I'm going to leave the link to the description to this box in the description below. This is a very affordable box. I highly, highly, highly recommend it. I've been getting it every single one of these boxes that has been made, I've gotten, and I am always pleased. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to connect with you soon.